Spin a disc.
What's good, fam? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? I trust you guys are doing all right, man. I'm doing okay, but it's cold out here, man. You can't even believe. Anyway, man, back to the business of the day. Today, with the man of God, Prophet Uebert Angel, just dropping a few nuggets for us, man. You know what I'm saying, concerning marital intimacy, why marital intimacy is distasteful for some people, rather, you know, or boring for some people, or plain and simple, why some people don't really enjoy marital intimacy, man, or sex in marriage. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, what he has to say, I found it rather interesting, man. There's some few good nuggets in there that can help some brothers out. You feel me? So, I mean, I hope you guys enjoy the video, man. Let's hear what the man of God got to say about why sex is not enjoyable for some people whilst they're in marriage. You know what I'm saying? Hope you share, like, subscribe. My name is Bliss, and I'm out.
I was in Africa, and a lady came, and they've stayed together for years. I said, I'm no longer enjoying. When we started having sex, I didn't enjoy it. I said, like, how many months? I said, the first day. And I said, how many times have you had sex before that? Do you understand there are two sins, fornication and adultery? Fornication is worse. Because it introduces you to a man's style of having sex. It introduces you to a lady's style of having sex. Maybe you've had three girls that you're having sex with. So you have tested every side of it, everything that you want to test, you have seen it. Now when you get into marriage, you don't know you're comparing. So when you say sex is not enjoying, it's not enjoyable in my marriage, compared to which one? Because if you have nothing to compare with, you should be enjoying it.
La fornication et l'adultère sont deux choses différentes.
Oh, you didn't get it.
La fornication est plus pire que l'adultère. Pourquoi? Parce que la fornication, tu t'habitues à
So when we tell our young kids, stop fornication, they think, he just doesn't understand this, what is happening around the world. No, say, we are maximizing your enjoyment later. Because when you meet this girl first time, and you have sex with her as your wife, there is Shaquita, Shanene, that were prostitutes. And prostitutes can do anything that your wife can't do. I talked about it and I'm telling you now.
Le problème est que tu commences à comparer ton mari avec les autres personnes que tu as couché avec auparavant.
You go to a prostitute, massages you, rubs oil on you, everything done. Your wife has been working from morning to evening. She has no time for oil.
Tu vas chez une prostituée, elle te massage et tout. Mais ta femme à la maison, elle a travaillé.
Did I say it out loud? I want to say it here.
Quelle est la force encore de faire autre chose?
There's no time for nonsense like that. Like, oh no, you don't treat me like I'm treated somewhere else. You don't treat me well. And the wife is like, well, you want what exactly do you need? Now you can't tell the wife that in somewhere there is hot oil there. You've been in a marriage now for 2 weeks. The man is trying his best. But the man you used to have would hang on a chandelier. Anyway, forget about it. Now this man this is the first time. He is trying. She is trying to make you happy. But you've been made happy so many times. It's a culture that has already affected you out there. So when you get to the real thing now under God, your flesh is still craving the onions of Egypt.
C'est une question de culture.
So you can't enter the promised land. The onions and the garlic. They said, Moses, take us back to slavery. It was better in slavery than where we are now. Why? Onions and garlic. So we are tired of carbohydrates. This manna is too much and this. We want protein. God sent the quails, and as they chewed them, when they got here, they choked to death. What you want, you've already tested it. So if you don't change the culture, you will see that even the past will come back and you will compare the past to now.
Si tu ne changes pas la culture, tu vas te retrouver en train de
And
comparer le passé
and this
et
girl
maintenant.
has left everything to follow you. But say, you've been everywhere.
Et maintenant, cette
You
pauvre
were a
femme que tu
community
as-
boyfriend.